Happy Wednesday. I'm so excited to be here with you all again for another card challenge. All right, so last week's card challenge was a little difficult because a lot of us didn't have the colors I picked, but that's okay. This week, for sure, you will be all right because it's a card sketch challenge. All right, now be sure to stay to the end of the video today so that you will know how to enter the card challenge. So I'm going to show you how to use a card sketch so that when you can't come up with how to create a card, the card sketch is going to help you do that. All right, so I'm going to show you that what I mean by that. For those of you who do not know me, my name is Kristina Reese, and this is Creating with Kristina. I come live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday here on my Facebook page, and then I upload these videos to my YouTube channel. So be sure to give me a shout out, say hello, tell us where you're from, and let's get started. All right, so the card challenge today, I am using products from our new just started yesterday closeout sale. So we're having the huge end of year closeout sale. It's a big deal. Lots of people were ordering yesterday, but there's still plenty available. Some items are up to 50% off. We also have a clearance rack, so there's two sales going on at the same time. There's the end of year closeout, and if you go to my blog, creatingwithkristina.com, click on the link, it'll give you the list of all those on sale. Or if you go to my shop, either way, my shop has the closeout sale link and the clearance link. So, and the clearance rack has some things up to 60% off. So really great sales going on right now. So excited. All right, so I said we're going to be doing a sketch. And I want to pull out my sketchbook here and tilt the camera down. All right, here we go. And so we're using sketch number 2 this morning. And a lot of you have purchased this sketchbook from me. There is a link in the description, and I just sell it for $4.95. It's just a great tool when you can't come up with something to do with all of your products. So, also this is Card Challenge Wednesday, and so I'm not at my regular home. I'm actually at my sister's house, and I have a baggie full of all the people who entered last week. I put your names on tickets, and we're going to pick a name from random. All right, here we go, and here it is, and the name is Linda Brady. All right. So Linda, I will send your prize out to you. I've got something for you. I'm not sure what it is yet, but you'll be surprised when you get it. Okay, great. Congratulations, Linda. Let's make this card. First thing we need to do is we need to know what our supplies are. So I kind of pre-did a lot of stuff at my house so that I would be ready today. And the items that we're using, first of all, I love this Peace and Joy stamp set, and it comes with the dies that cut it out. So if you stamp the joy, you can cut the stamp out, or you can cut joy out in the tiny script here and then echo it twice, and that's what we're doing today. But then there's also these cute sayings and these other stamps that go with it. These dies are on sale in the closeout for 30% off. So when you buy the die and the stamp set, you want to buy them separately, not as a bundle, so that you'll get the dies 30% off. All right, so that's what we're using. And also, we're using the beautiful snowflake paper. This DSP paper is 20% off. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. So pretty. But the big thing that's really cool is the glimmer paper is only $2.50. It is 50% off. I love glimmer paper. And we're coming into the winter season, so all through January and February, you'll be making snowy, icy cards. So you want to stock up on that pretty glimmer paper. All right. Oh, and also baby blue for baby boys. All right. So great reasons to get that glimmer paper. Now, how I made this card is, like I said, I ran through the die machine the word joy with the balmy blue cardstock. Then I ran the first echo with white cardstock, and then the second echo with the blue glimmer. All right, so we're going to put this together. And, well, before we put it together, I also want, I don't know if you can see that I ran my card base through the embossing folder, the snowflake embossing folder. This card base is 11 by 4 1/4 so that I can tie a ribbon around it. I like it to be that way when I want to do that. All right, so let's put this joy together, and it's real easy. You just need, first of all, you need fingernails that let you pick things up. Oh, goodness. All right, here we go. Fine tip glue. When you have something this itty bitty that you need to get adhesive on, this fine tip glue, and it even has like a metal piece that goes in so it won't clog. And you just want to just put a little glue on there. Come on out. There we go. And I'm sorry I can't see y'all's comments right now. I've got my camera turned down, but I will answer your questions and things as soon as I finish making this card, and I'll lift it back up and look and see what y'all are posting. All right, so we've stuck that on. Now we need to stick the white on the glimmer paper. So put some more glue on here. There we go. Oops. And it's just so pretty. I just love it. All right, let that dry for a minute while we do the rest of this. So here we have our designer paper, and the back looks like this, and either side would be pretty, but I like this side. And we're going to put this up at the top. So let me bring my sketch back out for you guys so you can see what we're doing here. And I know I'm upside down, but that's okay. Here's our sketch. So we have this dark section down here is actually white on this card. And up here, I've put some designer paper. We're going to be tying a ribbon there. And then this rectangle is going to be the joy. All right? So that's what I mean by card sketches, how they, when you can't think of something, you can follow it exactly like how I made the original card. Or you can think, okay, instead of like the framed stamp there, you can put, you know, a cluster of leaves and flowers and things instead. Just change it up. All right, let's move that back over there and get my other glue out. Also, when you are adhering anything to a surface, raised surface there, liquid glue is much better. The tape runner, it won't get in the little tiny spaces where the liquid glue will. But you don't want to use much because you don't want your paper to warp. So don't use too much glue. Just enough. And then we're just going to stick this on the top of our card right there. And like I said, I just cut this at 2.5 by 4 1/4. All right, we're going to let that dry. Next, we have some stamping to do. All right, so I pulled out Sending Christmas from the word of the stamp set. So like I was saying, the stamp set here has different sayings that you can put with the 3 main words, and I picked out Sending Christmas and then Joy right there. So let me get my ink here, and I'm just using Balmy Blue, and I'm going to be cutting these out, fussy cutting them. Oh, isn't that pretty? I love it. So let me do that real quick. And I'm just following, just leaving a little bit of white, not too much. There we go. All right, so there's the Christmas and then the Sending. There. Okay, Sending Christmas Joy. There we go. Get all this out of the way. All right. So we're going to put our joy here. I'm going to turn this around so I can see it, and then I'll turn it back around for you all. I know my camera is backwards. So Sending Let's see, let's move joy over a little bit and put sending Christmas like that. Yeah. All right. And just a wee bit of glue on the back here. Okay. Now another fun thing to do is lift up the joy and maybe stamp and fussy cut some of the holly or the branches. Actually, this is going to go on top of the joy, so I need to put the joy down. Or if you have the sprig punch, you could punch out some sprigs to put underneath the joy. Also, you could pop the joy up on dimensionals. I'm just keeping it pretty simple this morning so we can get it put together. So sending, oops, I don't know if I put that in the right place, but all right, that'll work. There we go. All right, sending Christmas joy. Almost done. So we have this, I just love this ribbon. Isn't that pretty? It's all sparkling blue. It's on sale 50% off. So excited. I love sales. And we're just going to pull this, pull out enough to tie a bow. Okay. And I have these self-clamping tweezers here to help hold it in place. Hold on, this needs more on this side. There we go. I'm having some difficulty with my twisting here. There we go. All right, so how these work is these are self-clamping tweezers, and you can get these at any craft store, and they just hold your tie together while you work on the bow. Okay. I'm trying to get my fingers in there. There we go. All right, and then pull your tweezers out, and then just adjust the loops. This is very stiff ribbon, but it's just perfect. Now put it where you want it, right there. Okay. Yeah, that is looking awesome. I love that. All right, so that's pretty. Let me trim it up just a little bit more. And there we go. And then one thing you can do is hold the tails at the bottom and hold the loops at the top and kind of tug, and that'll get it going in the right direction. And then just snip off the excess. There we go. Almost done. One last thing, and that is gotta have some bling. Got to have some bling. All right, let me find out how to open this thing. Oh, there it is. I love these faceted gems. They're so pretty, and they have the light blue and the dark blue, and I think I'm going to use the dark blue this time. I haven't used very much dark blue. All right, and we'll put one here and a couple on the other side. There's one and one more, and we have ourselves a beautiful Christmas card, sending Christmas joy. And aren't those colors just gorgeous? I love the shimmery blues, and it's so, I can't say it enough. I love it, I love it, I love it. All right. Oh my goodness. Okay, it looks like I've got some comments going here. Whoops, 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 whoops. Don't want that. Okay. Yeah, let's pull this up here. All right, so we have Kim this morning, and Debbie, and Linda Hodge, and Deborah Woodby, and Nancy Henderson, Debbie Hollister, Colleen, Pamela. Oh, that's wonderful. Linda Brady's here. Congratulations, Linda. You were my winner this morning. All right. Now, remember, all of you, so the way to enter this card challenge is follow this card sketch, and I'll have a picture of it on the post that I pinned to the top of my Facebook page. and create your card, take a picture of it, and then post it in the comments of that pinned post, okay? Do not put the picture here in this post. Put it in the pinned post at the top of the Facebook page. All right, and then next Wednesday, we will spin the wheel and get some winners for that. So hopefully I'll have a whole bunch of entries for this card challenge, because card sketches are so easy to do. I just love it. It gives you lots of opportunities. And don't forget, clearance rack, tons of stuff in there. They have Stampin' Blends for $1.80 and tons of colors. Oh my gosh, yeah. You want to check out the sale. So go to the shop, hit the clearance or hit the sale thing, and then it'll drop down the two, the clearance and the closeout. So there you go. I can't think of anything else. You all have a blessed day, and I will see you Friday for Fun Fold Friday. Bye-bye, you guys.